Arkansas's top lawyer and advocates for transgender youth are facing off in court next week. Last year, the natural state was the first in the United States to pass a law banning gender-affirming treatments for people under 18 years old. An injunction stopped the law from being enforced. Neil Zarang joining us now in the studio with what both sides have to say before Monday's court date.
Bob, even on opposite sides of an argument, both the Attorney General's office and the ACLU believe they're protecting children growing up in Arkansas. Ones like Valerie Polston, who grew up in Searcy and who I spoke with today. With weather in the 70s, it's easy to feel comfortable in your own skin. But revisiting her home state this week, Valerie Polston remembers when she was not.
When I had access to hormone replacement therapy, I was given an opportunity to find a sense of self that was aligned with how I viewed myself my entire life.
Polston says gender-affirming treatment is something she wishes she would have learned about at a younger age, but a majority of Arkansas legislators passed a law in 2021 banning anyone under 18 from surgeries or treatments to transition their genders. They call it the Save Adolescents from Experimentation Act. State Representative Robin Lundstrom was the lead sponsor of the act and says there is more at risk medically and mentally for a child.
Much like in Arkansas, you can't have alcohol or smoke cigarettes or have a tattoo, rent property, drive a car, because under 18, you don't have the ability of making a lot of really solid decisions.
The ACLU is challenging the law on the basis of it being cruel, discriminatory, and unconstitutional.
When the law was first introduced, there was a spike in hospitalizations for suicide attempts on the part of transgender youth in Arkansas, just out of the fear of care being stripped away from them.
Arkansas Attorney General Leslie Rutledge says children who identify as transgender are still able to receive counseling services or psychiatric medications. She released a statement saying, in part, the SAFE Act protects children from life-altering, permanent decisions that they may desire to make as an underage child but could regret as an adult. But Polston says people should be able to live those formative years the way they see themselves and not wait on years of medical care until childhood slipped by.
There isn't something astronomically different about trans people. They're just a set of people that have a medical need that need to get their treatment.
There is plenty of growing research for and against these medical procedures in young people that I couldn't get into at the time I had. I'm certain much of it will be brought up during the 2-week trial starting Monday in the U.S. District Court for the Eastern District of Arkansas. Neil Zarang, KARK 4 News. Back to you, Bob.